Sphere Finance will release an urgent update that will help stabilize the price of Sphere. Let's get into it. So as you may know, the price of Sphere has had a very strong upward trend during its first month after the launch, growing up to an all-time high of 11 cents. But then the price started decreasing a lot. This has happened for multiple reasons, one of them being people taking profits, which is good, but it turned the mania phase of price growth to a volatile price crash. But this wasn't the only reason. As we see with most projects, when the crypto market crashes, those project price crashes too. But the direct cause in the case of Sphere is the liquidity pool. The liquidity pool of the project is conformed by a pair of Sphere and wrapped Matic, so that people can trade Matic for Sphere and vice versa. But then what happens is that Sphere is linked to the price of Matic. So after Matic's price decreased over 30% in the last 30 days, this has also been an important factor for the price decrease of Sphere. However, there's something that Sphere can do so that the price of Matic doesn't drag down the price of Sphere, changing the liquidity pool of Sphere to have a stablecoin instead of Matic. And this is exactly what the project is going to do to increase the price stability of Sphere. The stablecoin chosen is USDC, and being a stablecoin pegged to the dollar, it means that it will be worth always $1, so it will help balance the price of Sphere so that it doesn't decrease further. But what about Quantum Liquidity, the main innovation of Sphere? Will Sphere still will be able to farm the liquidity using this token? The answer to that is yes. Sphere will be able to farm the liquidity with that stablecoin, and actually being a stablecoin means that that return will come with much lower risk. So then how this new change in the liquidity pool will be implemented? As well as we experienced a seamless migration to the V2 version of the token, Sphere will migrate the contract again so that they can implement this new liquidity pool. And they will implement a feature so that the liquidity pool could be changed easier in the future without having to migrate the contract again. Okay, so by changing Sphere's liquidity for one paired with a stablecoin, Sphere avoids suffering losses caused by Matic during a bear market. But what about when the bear market ends and we enter a bull run in which Matic price could explode? Sphere would lose on that growth because it's not anymore linked to Matic. Here's the thing, with the new liquidity pool, Sphere will be able to change back to the Matic liquidity pool once the crypto market starts a clear upward trend. Then the project will be able to capitalize and piggyback off of the growth of Matic while avoiding Matic dragging down Sphere's price when its own price is bleeding. This fast update, in my opinion, shows that the Sphere team knows their thing and they know how to adapt to the changing context of crypto. And I love this way of always looking for solutions and implementing them really fast. Kudos to them. And this is it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss future to the point crypto content. And if you want to see a video summary of the updates that came with the V2 version of Sphere that just launched, check out this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.